Hello guys, what's up? Today I'm gonna show you how to speed up your slow laptop. It will work for Windows 10, Windows 11. First of all, search run. After searching run, you have to pin it to text bar. Now click over run, then command will automatically shown. You can run this command from Win plus R from keyboard. First of all, search prefetch, PREFETCH. Then you have to click continue. Select all. You can select it from Ctrl A also. Then delete it by pressing shift plus delete. For this type of file, check do this all current items, then skip, then close. Let's go to the next step. Then run. Search here %temp, then again %sign, then OK. Then select all by pressing Ctrl A, or you can select all from home. Then delete it by pressing shift plus delete. Let's go to the third step. Click over run, then search temp, then OK. Select all, then shift delete, then yes, then skip, close it. Let's go to the fourth step. Search here clean mgr, CLEAN, then mgr. OK. Then select disks, select all except recycle bin. If you click recycle bin, here all data from recycle bin also deleted, so I'm not interested to check it. Then clean up system files and select drive. In your case, here will be shown local disk C. Select it, then press OK. It will take few minutes to complete. Then again select all except recycle bin, then OK. You want to permanently delete files. The disk cleanup, it will be cleaning up unnecessary files from your machine. It will take minimum 2 to 10 minutes. It depends on your PC or laptop configuration. If you clean it after 1 year or 2 years, it takes 5 to 10 minutes. Otherwise, it only takes 1 to 2 minutes. After complete, it will automatically hide. I'll show you after cleaning first time, and if you clean for the second time, it will faster. It only takes 30 seconds or 50 seconds. Then click over run, then search Msconfig, then OK. Click a startup, open task manager, then you have to disable all unnecessary software which is not necessary in startup. If you disable it, it will not automatically boot. Disable all unnecessary software. Enable device software, then close. Click general, then selective startup, then OK. After that, you have to delete Chrome history and clear browsing data. Follow steps, select all, then delete browsing data, then here select all time. My suggestion is not to click site settings or to fill form and password and hosted app data. Then browsing history, cookies and site data, cache image will be deleted from your Chrome browser, and delete data. Now you have to install CC Cleaner. I will show you how to download it. Now I am showing how to clean. Click custom clean, then run cleaner. It will clean your Windows system, Windows files, cache, all type of cache data, temporary file from your Windows. Deselect empty recycle bin, don't select recycle bin, then close. If you want to download CC Cleaner, just search CC Cleaner on a browser. Then click CC Cleaner official website, click reject all, pre-download. It will start automatic download. It's only 72 MB. After downloading, you can install it. You can install any registry cleaner software, voice registry cleaner. Click fast scan. It will clean your Windows registry, broken registry files, which can improve your PC Windows performance. It will take only 1 to 2 minutes. After complete, here show total 114 problem. You can see it in description or just clean it. It won't harm your Windows or computer. For downloading, search SSD cleaner on any browser, then click official link, then free download. It is only 5 MB file. Then after downloading, install it. Now you can check your PC performance. It will speed up your laptop or Windows more than 50 times or 10 times. Though if your laptop is slow, you can buy a SATA SSD. SSD is faster than HDD. It will take only 7 seconds to boot Windows. On the other hand, HDD takes 1 minute to 2 minutes. SSD are also faster for running application. They conduct the read and write process at 50 to 250 megabyte per second, while HDD do at the same only 0.1 to 1.7 Mbps. You can buy a SATA SSD. It is only $3 to $5. Depends on your country. Upgrading with SSD. After upgrading with SSD, your laptop or Windows will be 50 times more faster. So that's all. Thanks for watching.